Hey everyone, and welcome back to the AT Performance YouTube channel. It's Tom here, and today is a very exciting day because we're taking our GR Yaris for a new custom stainless exhaust system. So we're going to jump in the car, head over to the Hardknocks shop, meet those guys, and now we'll show you what the car sounds like in its original state. So we've just driven over here to see Chris at Hardknocks SpeedShop, run through loads of ideas, some really exciting stuff. Can't wait to get going on this now. We've seen which tips we're probably going to go with, how he's going to build the system. So he's going to take the car in now, get it up in the air, strip the old system off of it, weigh it, see what we're up against, and then go from there. Really excited, really looking forward to it, and we'll see what happens later on in the week. So Chris's shop is an amazing place, loads of really cool stuff in here. A lot of American muscle cars, big engines, custom frames, loads of fabrication stuff going on. Obviously, he's into his big builds and he's got some customers with some pretty wild ideas. So everywhere you look, there's interesting stuff. We've got the exhaust components that we can select from. So the tubing and the tailpipes and bits and pieces like that. Some very interesting stuff on the lift. And everywhere you look, there just seems to be something different. Not to mention the shop itself is beautiful with this wood cladding and all the black paintwork and stuff. So we're done here for today. We're going to jump back in the car, head back to the office, and we'll check back with Chris later in the week.
Hi guys, Chris at Hardknocks. I'm here today with AT Performance's Yaris GR. I mainly focus on building race cars, American trucks and hot rods. If you follow me, you've probably seen this. Tom from AT got in contact with me and asked me to build an exhaust system. They needed it track friendly and they wanted it to sound good. There are many aftermarket exhausts out there that don't sound particularly amazing, so the brief from Tom was it needs to pass track and it also needs to sound very good. We've built the system from 316 stainless because that is all that we use. Everything is TIG welded so that we can lifetime warranty our systems. The way that we've made this system is to increase power along with sound without it being a problem for roads and for emissions, and it will still pass the MOT. The way that the system fits follows the factory lines. It uses all of the factory hangers, and we've made the tailpipes interchangeable so that if anybody would like a different style, then they can simply unbolt them, change them over, put the new ones on, and away they go. Everything is TIG welded on this system. MIG welding is not suitable for performance exhaust systems, and TIG welding has a nicer finish and it enables me to offer this lifetime warranty. All of our systems are built for performance, and as I said at the start, we mainly focus on race cars. So we pull that experience together from high horsepower drag vehicles and circuit vehicles into making performance exhaust systems for road cars. The brief that Tom gave us, as I said, was track friendly and it needs to sound good. The way that we've designed it is exactly that. The two silencers at the rear will bring the tone down slightly, and the one silencer in the middle stops any drone that would normally be found on a performance car. From factory, the Yaris GR system starts at 2 3/4 inch from the back of the cab. From there it drops down to 2.5, and then at the rear section it drops to 2 inch. That will really choke performance on any turbo vehicle, specifically small cylinder, small capacity turbo vehicles. We have then stepped it up from 2 3/4 into the silencer and then back down to 2.5 inch. This then runs all the way to the back with two 2.5 inch tailpipes, and we use a true dual 2.5 inch Y-piece. Everything is hand fabricated in the shop, and everything you see on this vehicle is welded by me and my own hands.
So it's now Monday. We dropped the car off last Monday with Chris, who took the project on to build us our Yaris exhaust. The design brief was we wanted a nice high quality system, we wanted it track day friendly, and a proper handmade custom exhaust is a very nice thing indeed. So we're about to just run in, and check it out for the first time to see what it sounds like. So let's go and check it out. I've just driven the car back from Chris at Hardknocks. He's done an amazing job on the exhaust, quality, sound, amazing. We're booked in for the track day on Friday, looking forward to that. You can see the clips of how this sounds immediately after this, but again, like and subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time.